If this is finding you on November 12th, then this is for you. This is your synchronicity from Spirit. I want you to trust me on what I'm about to tell you, because you're not going to want to scroll away. You're not going to want to click out of this video because you'll miss it. You'll miss what Spirit wants to tell you. So let's get straight to it, because we have a lot we need to cover in this message. I never know what's going to come out when I sit down to write. So I am always just as surprised as you are. And sometimes as I'm writing the sentence, I'm like, is this gonna even make sense? Because I'm just automatic writing, yet here we are with another perfect channeled message. Okay, so today's message is, you can always train your dragon, but the instructions will never amplify the heart of the dragon. Wow, this sounds so simple, but when you dive into this message, it's so deep. This is saying that, you can train to do something. You can be taught to do something, but if your heart's not in it, there's nothing that can replace that. And if your heart's not in it, it means you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. It's just that simple. I feel like a lot of you need to hear this, because I feel like a lot of you are following this cookie cutter model of how you think your life has to be. And it could be a belief system that your parents instilled in you. It could be just keeping up with the Jones, oh, all your friends are doing it, so you feel like you have to do it. But there's something in you that you want to do something else, but you're afraid of a few things. You're afraid of judgment, and you're afraid of failure. So Spirit's saying, yeah, whatever it is you want to do, or whatever it is you're doing because you feel like you have to, yeah, you can be trained to do it. You can excel at it, but it's never going to be from the heart if it's not coming from within yourself. So what are you doing to satisfy someone else's judgment? I want you to ask yourself that, because that is the core of this message. Let's pull some cards, because I do feel like we need a little bit more clarity for this message. Okay, I hear the baby coming. So if he interrupts, don't mind. Okay, what do we have here? The Page of Cups. You're wanting to do something that fulfills you. Of course, cups are about emotional fulfillment. What are you doing? What are you not allowing yourself to do? I want you to realize that the reason you're not allowing yourself to do that is just a silly belief that you have. There's no fact behind that. And if there is passion behind what you want to do, Spirit will make sure that you succeed in it, because they wouldn't be giving you that if there were no reason. Okay? So let me know if this resonates. And one last thing, if you like this sweatshirt I have on, these are tarot cards that I made, and they're available in the TikTok shop. But when they're gone, so don't wait.